One of the problems we were presented with as part of the response to COVID-19 at Salford Royal was to find an alternative local supply of visors, gowns and scrubs due to a national shortage of personal protective equipment or PPE. The first use case we looked at involved visors. Three prototypes were designed, built, clinically tested and signed off within the space of a week. The visors were made of three components: a 3D printed headband, a laser cut face shield, and a laser cut strap with foam on it for wearer comfort. These 3D printed components were made in conjunction with three universities: the University of Manchester, Manchester Metropolitan University, and the University of Salford. At the request of the Chief Officer and the Chief Executive, we were also asked to look at the local manufacture of scrubs and gowns. In less than a week, samples were produced and clinically signed off. These were made in conjunction with the Manchester Fashion Institute, who are part of Manchester Metropolitan University. We also managed to secure the services of a local factory, who had access to the required fabric and were able to start manufacture almost immediately.